Okay, so we will do half court practice, okay, for footwork, okay, because until you will not reach to the shuttle, you cannot hit the shuttlecock, okay. So this is our mid court and we will go to the back court. So we are standing here, we will pick shuttle here, right leg will come front, okay, which leg? Right, no one will lift like this, left hand, left leg, this is long, this is also wrong, always remember which leg? Right leg. One, pick the shuttle, then you have to turn, okay, again, pick the shuttle, turn, one step back, and now after coming back, what you have to do? Throw the shuttle like this, okay, and then go back to, again, one, understood? This is our basic grip, basic footwork, very basic footwork, okay. So from here you will learn two things, one, how to move to the back court, and another is this jump. This is called scissor jump. Scissor, you know, like this same, okay, you have to do like this only, nothing else, you don't have to jump like this. This is because it will activate your leg movements, okay, understood? Okay, now you all go, keep your racket and come back, and also you can have a sip of water, okay. Sir, शटल और दे दो मेरे को, पूरा ऐसे 6 शटल ऐसे पूरा लगा देंगे, इसलिए मैं ओल्ड शटल लाया ना, यही ना, दे दो. 1 2 3, okay, 6 people will come now and rest of the people come out. We'll do another chance, okay. You go there, stand here, stand here, stand here, here, stand here, you also stand there, okay. Now from starting only one leg, then turn, go back one step, throw the shuttle, then come back, again right leg, okay. You will observe they are doing right or not, okay, like they should keep the right leg is important, okay. Ready, ready, come, only one step from the starting, only one step will go, then you have to turn, okay, got it? Stand here, stand there, okay, ready?
Shuttle should cross the net.
Yes, shuttle should cross the net because your hand movement will also come here, okay. Chalo, ready? Start. Jump. Do. Yes, correct. Go. You have to do completely. Go. Karo. Cross. Come back. One step only, No, right leg. Throw. Again. Balance. Go. Right leg. You three come. You come here. And you have done, you come this side. You want to do again? You want to do again? Okay. Again, start. Ready? Start. Come. Go. Start. Come. Fast. Very good, bro. Come. Do with me. Turn. One leg. Stop. One step. Again throw. Again go front. Chalo. Yes. Nice. Okay. Come. आ जाओ. Come everyone. This side. Come. Did you enjoy this? Did you enjoy? It was for learning, not for enjoying. Okay, both are necessary. Okay, so I asked you to throw shuttles because when you are hitting shuttle na, same action goes, you know, same action. So it will correct your hand movement. How? If you are throwing shuttle like this, then you will be able to hit like this. Otherwise you will hit and your shuttle will go on the net. Most of the time it happens now also, if you have observed. Okay? Now you have done some mistakes, but no worries, it is very first class. So what mistake I observed? Some people were keeping their hand on this. I don't know, like you have become old or what. अरे बुड्ढे थोड़ी हो, अभी तो जवान हो ना. Okay, so why you are keeping your hand here? Hand on leg. No, don't do this. Okay, like this, your hand will go here. Okay, for example, this is the same thing where you are going to hit the shuttle. You are hitting the shuttle. Same thing, same action, right? So you don't do like this. Okay, now while you are doing the scissor jump, most of the people are having trouble in that. It is very easy, scissor jump. Okay, shuffling there. Okay, just now we will do only scissor jump by standing. Okay, stand everyone. Take some gap, make some gap. Come here. You come here. You don't have to do anything now. Just do with me. I will also do. Keep your right leg back side, right leg. Keep your hand here like you are hitting. Now 1. That's all. Simple. Again 1. Yes. Again 1. Again. Keep doing. Now I will not do. You are also. Very nice. Correct. Yeah. Perfect. Bro, why you are keeping your hand here? Here, like this. Yes. Correct. Your hand here. This hand should be here. Yes. Now do. Complete. Yes. You. Yes. Understood. Correct. Okay. Now most of people are doing correct, but some mistakes are still there, but no issue. Okay. Now you just bring your racket. If you want to drink water, just have one sip and come again. Go. Bring your racket.